Hi friends, this is an activity called Slow Sprint. We call it a slow sprint because there's another version of this activity that is called a sprint where you have to work quickly. On this version, you can take your time, and I really want you to think about what you're doing. So we call it a slow sprint. There's 3 instructions that you'll see on the right side of your page. The first one says, complete the exercises on the left. So I'll do that now. The second instruction says, look for patterns in the problems or the answers. What do you notice? So I might look closely at this and notice in the problems themselves, it looks like everything we're adding to. 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2. So the other thing I notice is all of the other add-ins are even numbers. And then I also notice that down here we're subtracting 2 from even numbers. And the third thing I notice on this one is that whatever our answer was here is our add-in for the next problem. 2 plus 2 is 4, and there's the 4 again. 4 plus 2 is 6, and there's the 6. So I noticed a lot on these, so I'm going to explain the pattern that I see. I noticed that we kept adding or subtracting 2's to our answer. And then the third part says, write 6 more problems that follow this pattern. I might start with some bigger numbers. What would follow the pattern if I started with 30? But remember, we also had some subtraction, so now I'm going to turn it back around. And we're right back where we started. You'll notice that I added 2, took my answer, added another 2, took my answer, my sum, added another 2, took that sum, and then I started subtracting. Now, the slow sprint that you get from your teacher will not have this exact same pattern unless it's this exact same slow sprint that your teacher printed out for you. All of the slow sprints have something that's a pattern or something in common with either the problems or the answers. And I really want you to take your time to think about what you're noticing about how the problems are written or how the answers come out, and do your very best to write 6 more problems that look like the ones that are on your page. This is not something to rush to. I really want you to take your time. Have fun with slow sprints.